What's going on, guys? God bless you. Happy Thursday. I hope you guys are having a great day, whether you're at home, at work, or wherever you are watching this video. I hope you're having a great day. We are heading to Waxahachie, Texas. It's about, from my house, about a good hour and 30 minutes. So I definitely want to discuss on my way over there a little bit of, many guys have asked me, hey, Carlos, how do you handle long distance customers, right? So stick around. Let's enjoy this drive and let's talk a little bit about how I charge my long distance customers. All right, we finally made it out of all the traffic here in Dallas. If you've never been to Dallas, man, there's traffic in every corner, right? But we finally made it through that traffic and it's a straight shot now to our appointment. And to start the video, I get asked a lot of times, Carlos, how far do you travel? You know, that question, the answer is simple. I travel anywhere the price is right. I've driven almost 3 hours for an appointment. And some people are like, what? You know, hey, but if you charge accordingly, you know, yeah, you have to drive 3 hours for that customer. But at the end of the day, you're going to have a great day. It's going to be a great payout. And you're going to be fine. The only thing I think many mobile detailers hate is driving, right? I've had many times where a customer calls me and they're like, hey, I will refer to you by another detailer, right? And they're sending me to you because they don't service my area, right? And I was like, what? They're like, yeah, a friend referred me to him, but he says he doesn't go out to this area, so he said you could do it, right? So a lot of mobile detailers, unfortunately, now they want to start charging fees for this, you know, for like a distance fee or a mobile fee. And if you're starting, at times that can be very discouraging because you say, oh, we're going to charge you a mobile fee to go to you, right? And a lot of times the customers read that and guess what? They're like, oh, you know, never mind, right? Thanks though. How do we overcome that, guys? If you are starting your mobile detailing, right? Or maybe you've had this issue and customers, they don't book because of that. Simple. Take away that lettering that you post, you know, where it says you guys are going to charge a mobile fee, and just charge that fee into your package, right? Therefore, you can tell the customer, let's say that your package is $250 plus, let's say, an additional $25 for going to them, right? So instead of adding that mobile fee, just say my total cost is $275, right? And trust me, by you switching that, it's definitely going to be a game changer because it won't deteriorate the customer from going away. And I've had many issues, or you know, when people reach out to me and they're like, man, I'm getting a lot of these customers, they text me, they call me, you know, but they don't bite anymore, right? So then I always ask them, what's your, let me see your menu or what you offer. And a lot of times I see that, you know, there's a mobile fee to go to you, which for some it works, for some it doesn't. For me, throughout all these years, I never wanted to charge a customer a fee to go to them, right? I charge it in my price already, right? That's why some may say my pricing is too high, right? But it's all part of the process. I don't say, yeah, I'll go to you, but there's an extra $75 fees on top of that, right? So I just give them my price. You know, I charge accordingly. I kind of guess how far I have to go out. And I give them the price. And I have yet to really have an issue where a customer says no, right? I've had customers say, hey, do you charge a mobile fee? I'm like, no, I don't charge a mobile fee to come to you. It's included in the price. And they're like, oh, wow, okay, yeah, perfect. I want to go ahead and book. Why? Because customers are very it's like a mind game if you kind of think about it, right? And some customers don't like that. They see, oh, we're gonna charge you a fee to come to you, right? So they'll say no, but yet they'll come to somebody that doesn't advertise that mobile fee, but if you charge it in your price already and just give the customer that fee, the price, trust me, the customers are gonna be like, oh, okay, great, you know, I'd like to book. But it's all part of how you handle your business, right? It's all part of how you present your business, right? So hopefully that helps you guys. You know, I don't know if you've been struggling with bookings, right? Or maybe you have this in your package where you say you charge a mobile fee, right? Try removing that and see if that kind of changes a little bit, right? See if that helps you. But anyways, let's keep on driving. Let's get on the road, get safely to this appointment, and hopefully have some fun. All right, so we made it to Waxahachie. I got my good friend Ivan is just starting on the interior. Customer added the interior on this one, so that's what we're gonna be doing, as well as a ceramic coating correction. And what I mean by that is the customer, I did this one here. We put a 9-year coating last year, and I did a video on this one. I was literally under the rain getting this thing prepped, and we did a 2-step paint correction on this vehicle, and customer ended up repairing the hood and one of the doors. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Is I'm pretty much going to we're going to do a quick light 1-step correction. Everything looks good, and on the door as well. And then we are going to put the ceramic coating on the vehicle again, and it'll be back to normal. So anyways, let's get started on that. Let me show you the interior real quick, showcasing a little bit of what I is doing, and we'll get started on our side. All right, but overall the vehicle looks amazing. Looks really good. The customer has maintained his paint really nicely, and we got Ivan over here pretty much handling all the interior. Interior is leather, and it just needs a good just some good TLC. This customer really maintains his vehicle, so this one shouldn't take us long. Obviously I have to handle this door right here and the hood, and we'll be set. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so this project is pretty much done. We did a full interior detail on this one, fixed those issues on the hood and the door. But quick tip, especially if you're new or if you ever do a ceramic coating for a customer, make sure you give them an invoice. This way, in case the customer takes his truck to a body shop or a reputable collision center, as long as they have it, that invoice that the vehicle was coated, the insurance company usually pays for the repair, right, or the recoat. So for this scenario, we had to do we did a 1-step on the hood and the door panel to pretty much remove a lot of the swirls it had, and as well as to pretty much blend everything back together. How this paint is, the customer has been maintaining it very well. So you know, the process was very quick, and obviously, like I said, the customer added the interior, so Ivan took care of the interior for me, and I took care of the correction and the coating. And always reapply what you applied the first time, right? This one here has a 9-year coating, and the gloss is insane, very nice, very slick. But this project really didn't take us a lot. I think we've been here probably a good 4 hours, probably, all combined. But really a great project to work on. This thing is huge. But anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.